Welcome back to Frontier Explore to Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn basics of C which every C programmer must know. Series second video. Our today's topic starts with the features of C language. Okay? The first feature of C language is that C provides structured programming. The structured program consists of well-structured and separate modules, but the entry and exit is a single-time event. As shown in the below figure, the structured program are of three types here. It just means that the program is well structured into separate modules, and the main point is that the entry and exit of flow of control are provided only single time. Okay? The second feature of C language is a procedural language. In a procedural language, step-by-step predefined instructions are carried out. It just means that before using any function or variable, it should be declared or defined. Then we can use it. The third feature of C language is modularity. Modular programming is a process of subdividing a program into separate sub-programs. It means that a complex program is resolved into simple program by dividing into simple modules. The fourth feature of C language is that C language is a case-sensitive language. Case-sensitive is the ability to distinguish between upper and lower case version of character set. It just means you declare a variable capital A equal to 5. Then you want to print the variable capital A. Then you cannot write in the printf statement small a. Okay, you should write capital A only because it considers as two different variables. Okay. The fifth feature of C language is C is a middle level language. As it is the middle level language, so it has the combined form of both capabilities of assembly language and features of the high level language. Now our next topic is benefits of C language. The first benefit of C language is portable, as it can run a compiler on any system with few or no changes. It just means that you can download a C compiler in any operating system and you can run it. The second benefit is C provides robust. C is a strongly typed language. Okay? The third benefit of C language is a general purpose language. The C programming language is used in various applications. And the fourth benefit is it is fast and efficient. It is faster in execution when compared to the modern programming languages. Next topic is applications of C language. C language is used in operating systems like Windows, Linux, iOS and Android. Some part of these operating systems are written in C language. Rather than operating system, in databases like PostgreSQL, Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL servers, etc., a part of them are written in C language. C language is also used in search engines. Search engines like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, some part of these search engines are also written in C language. So next we are seeing that why students should prefer to read C language. C is most important to build the programming skills, as C covers basic features of all programming language. Once you understand C language, it basically covers 10 to 20% of basic features of every language. Now, why is C language most popular? C language is most popular because it can be used to implement low-level features.